Hey there! In this video I'll show you how I made LED panel for my living room. The materials I used in this project were 4 old pieces of wood, 4mm thick plexiglass, matte window foil, MDF plate, LED strip, DC power supply, remote LED dimmer, wire connector crimps, wood glue, screws, sanding paper, water-based lacquer, water-based white paint, and other stuff. So let's start in my workshop. First of all, I'm gonna cut those 4 pieces of wood to the exact width. Then I cut it to the exact length using table saw under 45 degrees. I'm cutting some slots, which I'll use to achieve a more stable joint while putting a lamp together. These horizontal slots are needed to insert a plexiglass in it. I'm gonna cut some plexiglass that can be easily done with table saw. There we have some sanding with the disc sander I made by myself in my workshop. For building this sander I use a 100 watts 1.5k RPM induction motor. Let's assemble those pieces together to see how they fit and then glue it and add some clamps. I added wooden inserts in the slots to achieve more robust housing. For rough sanding I used angle grinder with this sander on it with 80 grit sandpaper. It eats material very well. Let's sand it to 45 degrees to give it a nicer look. And sand it with random orbital sander using 150 grit sandpaper. protecting foil from plexiglass, and here we go, such a nice look already! Look at my car, Applying the lacquer, wait few hours until dry, then sand it and apply the final coat. For inside of the lamp, I chose white paint for nicer look and better reflection of the light. Here we have matte window foil, and let's stick it to the plexiglass. Here we have MDF plate and I'm adding LED strips on it. I used water white LED strip with 5630 type of LEDs. I chose 120 LEDs per meter to achieve a decent brightness. Drilling some holes for wires. Adding some solder to the contacts. And connect the first square of LED strip. Here we have some faulty LED segment, so I need to replace it. I'm adding second section of LED strip. Let's solder and wire all together. Here we have 2 more sections to go. Let's add final section of LED strips to the MDF plate and repeat all the process. Drill the holes. Solder contacts. Prepare the wires and solder all up together. It looks okay. Now let's prepare and arrange all the wires. I use 12 volts 3.2A DC power supply, adding some hot glue to prevent wire damage. Works perfectly! We need to add the frame to the MDF plate so we can assemble the panel together. Let's paint the screws white. Add radio frequency remote control dimmer and wire all together. Let's install it to the ceiling and we are done. Here it is, the final look. Thanks for watching.